Hello kids! Today we are going to draw an Easter bunny. Let's begin by drawing a straight line and then adding a curve above it. Repeat this process on the other side to complete its face. Now, let's draw its ears by creating a reverse U shape on one side and repeating it on the other. Inside each ear, draw the same shape again. Next, let's draw its eyes by filling in two big black circles. Draw a circle between them for the nose and add a W shape below it for the mouth. Two more circles below the eyes will make the cheeks. Congratulations! We have completed the face. Now, let's draw the body. Start by making a spiral shape on one side and repeating it on the other. Add a J shape below the face and repeat it on the other side. Draw two small straight lines inside each to complete the arms. Add circular shapes between them to complete the fluffy chest. Add the same at the back to complete the tail. Finally, add three circles in a line and a bigger circle below them to complete the feet. Repeat this on the other side. And voila! Our cute Easter bunny is ready. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kids Art and Doodle. We'll be back with another video soon. Happy Easter, everyone! Bye for now.